Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of tennis fashion to bring you what we believe is the best Carlos Alcaraz T-shirt on the market. This unisex cotton short-sleeved tee not only celebrates one of the brightest stars in tennis, but it also combines style, comfort, and a perfect fit for every fan. Let's start with the design. This T-shirt is crafted with a stylish homage to Carlos Alcaraz, the young Spanish sensation who took the tennis world by storm with his incredible skills and undeniable charisma. The shirt prominently features a design that commemorates Alcaraz's triumphs, especially his victory at the 2023 Wimbledon Championship. This makes it an ideal choice for any tennis enthusiast looking to show their support for this rising star. What truly sets this T-shirt apart is its quality. Made from high-quality, breathable cotton, this shirt promises all-day comfort whether you're on the court cheering for your favorite player or lounging around with friends. The fabric is soft against the skin, making it perfect for warm days or layering under your favorite jacket during cooler evenings. The craftsmanship is evident in the attention to detail. The classic crew neckline ensures a comfortable fit, while the short sleeves provide freedom of movement, perfect for those impromptu games or workouts. And with various sizes available, there's a perfect fit for everyone, making it a great gift option as well. Carlos Alcaraz is more than just a player. He represents a new generation of tennis talent. Wearing this shirt allows fans to feel connected to his journey and achievements. Whether you're at a match or just hanging out with fellow fans, this shirt serves as a conversation starter and a symbol of your support for this incredible athlete. Speaking of gifts, this T-shirt makes for an excellent present for birthdays, holidays, or just to surprise that special tennis fan in your life. It's not just a piece of clothing, it's a way to celebrate a shared passion for tennis and a tribute to one of its brightest stars. In summary, the Carlos Alcaraz Tennis Champion 2023 T-shirt is not only stylish but also represents a significant moment in tennis history. It's perfect for showing your enthusiasm for the sport and for one of its young legends. The combination of quality fabric, thoughtful design, and the spirit of Alcaraz makes it the best choice for any fan. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you a Carlos Alcaraz fan? We want to hear from you. Until next time, keep celebrating the sports and athletes you love.